Scrum uses three clear roles to deliver value fast. The product owner represents the customer and manages value. The Scrum Master serves the team and improves the process. The development team builds the product and ensures quality. These roles collaborate as peers, not as a hierarchy. Each role has boundaries and clear focus. Together, they reduce waste and increase learning. You will see how they align on goals, share information openly, and adapt plans frequently. The product owner owns the product vision and makes value decisions. They keep the product backlog clear, ordered, and transparent. They listen to customers, business leaders, and the team. They translate needs into clear backlog items with acceptance criteria. They decide what to build next based on outcomes and evidence. They say no to low-value ideas and protect focus. They review delivered increments and accept or reject them. They measure impact and adjust priorities to maximize value. The Scrum Master helps everyone use Scrum well. They coach the team on practices and mindset. They facilitate events and keep them purposeful and time-boxed. They remove impediments that block progress. They protect the team from unplanned work and noise. They help the product owner with backlog techniques and stakeholder engagement. They foster continuous improvement through retrospectives and coaching. They do not manage people or assign tasks. They build trust, encourage experimentation, and model servant leadership. The development team builds a usable product increment every sprint. The team is cross-functional, with all skills needed to deliver. They are self-organizing and decide how to do the work. They break product backlog items into tasks and plan their approach. They uphold quality through the definition of done. They collaborate closely, swarm on problems, and share knowledge. They provide realistic forecasts based on evidence. They work at a sustainable pace and improve their engineering practices. Scrum avoids a boss-subordinate structure. Decisions align to each role's purpose. Product owner decides the product vision, goals, and priorities. Development team decides the design, the technical approach, and the plan to meet goals. Scrum Master decides how to improve the process and supports healthy collaboration. Stakeholders give input and feedback and respect the team's commitments. This shared model builds accountability and speed. It prevents bottlenecks, handoffs, and command and control behavior. Imagine a bank wants a quick balance feature in its app. The product owner sets the goal, reduce time to check balance by half. They write a backlog item with clear acceptance criteria. The development team estimates work and slices it into vertical pieces. They build a basic version and integrate with real data. The Scrum Master facilitates planning and daily collaboration. They remove a security approval blocker. The team ships a safe, simple version and learns from user feedback. Scrum events create regular alignment and inspection. Each role contributes in specific ways. Sprint planning. Product owner shares goals and priorities. The team crafts the plan. Daily Scrum. Development. Team inspects progress and adapts their plan. Sprint review. Everyone inspects the increment and gathers feedback. Sprint retrospective. The team improves process with Scrum Master facilitation. Backlog refinement. Product owner and team clarify items and size them. These rhythms keep work visible and decisions timely. Teams can slip into old habits under pressure. Here are pitfalls to watch for. Product owner micromanages tasks and dictates solutions. Scrum Master acts like a project manager and assigns work. Development team waits for orders and avoids decisions. Stakeholders bypass the product owner and inject work mid-sprint. Healthy teams do this instead. Respect role boundaries. Use clear goals. Keep the sprint focus intact. Escalate impediments early and solve them together. Roles succeed through shared habits and skills. Clarity, write concise backlog items and acceptance criteria. Transparency, show working software often and expose risks. Collaboration, pair up, swarm, and review each other's work. Customer focus, observe users and measure outcomes. Technical excellence, automate tests and integrate continuously. Respect challenge ideas, not people. Learning, run small experiments and inspect results. These habits increase trust, speed, and product quality over time. Success is a shared responsibility. Product owner success shows in outcomes and value. Scrum Master success shows in flow and team health. Development team success shows in quality and predictability. Simple measures help. Outcome metrics, adoption, revenue, or task success rates. Flow metrics, cycle time or block time. Quality metrics, escape defects or uptime. Use trends, not vanity counts. Review metrics in reviews and retrospectives. Adjust practices and priorities based on evidence. Scrum unites three roles around a common goal: deliver value quickly. The product owner steers the vision and prioritizes outcomes. The Scrum Master guides the process and removes friction. The development team builds high-quality increments and decides how. They collaborate as equals within clear boundaries. They learn from users and adapt plans often. They trust evidence over opinion and transparency over control. With these roles aligned, teams move faster, reduce waste, and delight customers.